Welcome to How Logical. In today's tutorial video, I'm about to show you how to change your Snapchat birthday. So if you have any confusion in changing your Snapchat birthday, you've come to the right video. First of all, open the Snapchat app on your phone. Go to your profile on the top left-hand corner. Go to the settings on the top right-hand corner. As you can see, your birthday. Press on birthday and press on the box over here. In this way, you can change your birthday according to your want. After changing your birthday, press on continue and press OK. So this is how you change your birthday on Snapchat. Hope the video was helpful for you. Like the video, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell button. See you in the next video. Until then, take care and goodbye.